Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to write user stories in Trello in 2024. So user stories are a great way to define the work needed for a project from user perspective. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide so you can understand how to write your stories or stories basically in Trello. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. Just type here Trello as an example and hit the enter button. Once you do so, click on this first link. As you can see, Trello.com. And here, you'll have to go and click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't, click on get Trello for free. So for me, I'll just click here on login to log in into the account right away. And basically, we will need to create an account. And as you can see, to do so, we can use a Google account or log in into an account. And to do so, you can use a Google, Microsoft, Apple, or even a Slack account, even creation site. So if you have one of those, you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So for me, I'll just go here and log in with my Google account right away. So of course, they'll ask me to do something on my phone. It's the first login on this PC on Trello. So I'll just go as example to my phone and press on that button. I'm just waiting for it until it sends into my phone. Or I can just go as example to the email or to the Gmail. I don't know if it's gonna be okay. So I'll just choose to resend this because they didn't send me anything. So yeah, now they should like so since nothing appear, I'll just go more ways, use this as example. And here, I'll just go to do that. So I'll just go to my phone, settings, Google, manage your Google account, select the security tab as example. Here is it. And of course, after that, security code. And here is it. And gets it's one time, right? So again, it's a one-time code. So yeah, it's fine if I show it here in the video. So yeah, I'll just go and enter one of those codes. As simple as that. So should be like that and click on next. That should be good to go. Okay, wrong code. Let me just, okay, I don't know if they count spaces, but let's do it. Just do this and click on next. Okay, so just enter the second one then. Why not? And I'll do the spaces as well. And here, like that, and click on next. Okay, this is wrong as well. So I'll just resolve this problem and I'm coming back to you. So I was just choosing the wrong account. Okay, it didn't took much. So as you can see, once I'm logged in into my Trello, I'll find myself in here. As simple as that. So what we'll need to do, of course, for you, if you still did not set up your Trello account, make sure to do so. And you'll need, of course, after that to set up your Trello board. Once you open like Trello, you can simply just go and create a new board for your project. As an example, you'll find the create option here. Just go and click on it. So as you can see, then click on create a board. You'll have to choose like the background of the board, however it suits you. Even you can choose some colors. For example, I'll choose this, and you'll have to give it a title. For the title, I'll go with this as an example, or why not? I'll just name it Omics like stories. And visibility is private, public, or workspace. I'll just let its own workspace, then click on create. Of course, you can even start with the templates if you want to. It's up to you to do so. So if you go and click on start with templates, as you can see, there's a lot of templates here to choose from. You can even look for maybe some stories one. As an example, if you click here on explore more templates, you'll be able to see multiple ones as an example. So it's up to you to do whatever you want. For me, as we said, I'll just go here and yeah, so omics again, omics like stories and workspace create. And yeah, it's created. So now you can start, as an example, adding some lists such as maybe backlog, in progress, maybe also completed to organize basically your workflow. And this will serve as the foundation for managing your user stories. So, for example, let's just go and create those three that I told you about. So back, like log, and add another list, which is going to be in uh, in progress. So in progress as an example, just do a space in here. And the last one, I'll just add completed. So completed. Yeah, those three lists as are enough. So here, once you add those like cards or lists, this will serve, as we said, as the foundation. You can start adding some user stories card. To add like a user story, you can click on this add a card button in the backlog, maybe a list, and basically the format for a user story usually follows the templates as type of user, I want to action, so that's benefits. For example, as a new user, I want to create an account so that I can access the platform. So I'll just type that. So as a new user, I want to create. So I want to create an account as an example so that I can access the platform. And this should be good to go. An add card. As you can see, this is just a card to say added. Of course, here you can start like adding any like details and labels that you want, like after creating the user story card. Of course, you can add more details in description, such as acceptance, criteria, or notes about functionality. You can also use labels to categorize like the stories, such as high priority, maybe front end, maybe bug fixes or something like that. So, as an example, you can edit labels. As an example, you can change members, you can change cover, edit dates, do whatever you want. So, as an example, just go edit labels of it, and as example, I'll just go priority. I'll just go and create like a new label of priority. So yeah, priority as an example, I'll put it on color red and I'll have it on priority. And create a new label, as simple as that. Then click on create as example, and it'll put it on, no, I wanted to put it on, okay, I'll change the color from here to red, go save, and it should be good to go. Okay, not the way that I wanted, but of course we can always edit it. Yeah, seems good. Anyway, so yeah, as you can see, we put like here some priority color to it with the story or with the card. Now you can assign also some team members as an example to it if you want to. As we did before, all we need to do just go back here, click on edit card, click as example change members, and as example I'll assign this member to it. As you can see, click on save. So now, because I'm the only member here in this workspace, so I assign this person to this specific story or to this specific card as an example. Of course, you can go and add how much like members you want, and this will ensure that everyone knows who's responsible for completing each task. Of course, as work progresses, you can move your user story cards through the list from, as example, backlogs to in progress, from in progress to completed, as an example. This basically makes it easy to track the progress of your story through the projects, as an example, through the whole project. And yeah, that's how you create stories. That's how you assign members and everything to it. And yeah, that should be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.